kind of want to hold the mic like this and talk, but I do need my hands to open this, what I'm about to show you. So I'm going to put it back. Hey guys, so this is going to be a quick video on Birchbox. I just received my first box and I got this as a Christmas gift. I got 3 boxes. This is the first one that arrived. This is a January box. I'm going to do a February and probably a March, and to show you what I got in my box. I was going to just show you, but my address is on here, so I had to redo it. So I'm going to open it and so we can see what all we got for this month. Still need to do another side and the other side. All right, let's see this together. Okay, it feels very light, but yeah, this is what the box looks like. And let's open it and see. You get a card that has everything that you're gonna get in the box, and everything is wrapped in this tissue paper. So let's see. First thing I'm seeing right here, this is the Flower Power Hand Sanitizer, full size, $4. The next product I'm seeing is Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Dream Body Cream. That's what this looks like. I'm kind of excited. Sorry, my nails are dirty. Kind of excited to try this. Yeah, kind of excited to try it out. I wish it was a face product, but yeah. This Glow Recipe, oh, I can't even read English. Anyway, so that's $28 full size. Next thing we got, it's the Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit. And this is the mascara that retails $26 full size. Yeah. Next I have this Orbe, maybe, Gold Lust Transformative Mask for your hair, I'm guessing. An intensive nutrient-rich mask that restores softness, shine, and body to dry overworked hair with every application. $66 full size. This is what it looks like. Can you see? Look at me. Okay. Next we got this Run Through Detangling Shampoo. This is not going to be enough for my hair, so I might just give this away to somebody else to try it out. This detangling shampoo is $49 full size. Yeah, I don't know whose hair this would be enough for. This is this much product. And then next we have this, what's it say? Number 4 Lumiere, blah blah blah. This is an oil for your hair. This lightweight oil repairs and restores shine without weighing down hair. Apply onto damp hair before styling and smooth. Yeah, so this, I guess I could use this. This is a hair oil. And I think that's it, guys. It's a very quick and short haul, less than 5 minutes. Yeah, that's about it that comes in the box. So what are my thoughts on this? My thoughts are, I'm not a fan of this box. I'm not a fan of what I've gotten. I mean, I'm happy that I got this as a gift, but these products are not really catered to my hair or what I filled into the questionnaire. I guess hand sanitizer, and you always need hand sanitizer. But then this mask, it might work, but I have a lot of hair, so I don't know. And then this, I love this. This, I could use it as a hand lotion, it's fine. And then this, probably also not enough for my hair. Probably this is like I can get 2 uses out of it. And then this mascara I like, because it's a mascara. You always need mascara. Also not enough to do my head of hair. Yeah. I mean, I could try it on like maybe 4 strands, and that's about it. I need to check how much this box retails for, because I don't remember what I saw online. But yeah, I guess that's it for this haul. And thank you guys for watching. This video was about this Birchbox. Yeah. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.